So in this video, introducing also about our spare parts. These are the automatic cleaning brushes we used in our rotary ground spinner. So as you can see in our last video, when this rotary mesh is spinning, this thing is sitting on the top, also with two bearing housings on each side, so that when the rotary screen mesh is spinning, this brush is also applied on this constantly. So this is the one brush, and if we take a look in here, this is what we call the squippers, the first stage and then second stage squippers on the belt conveyor cleaning. So the belt conveyor, we will have the first stage squipper and then the second stage squipper. One on the top, one on the bottom to do the cleanings of the belt conveyor. And it is widely used in cement and also in the fertilizer industries. Yep, thank you guys.